Join Fred Olsen's glorious Balmoral cruise ship as you set sail on the incredible Kuala Lumpur to Hong Kong cruise. 30 nights travelling through some of the most breathtaking locations in the East. After landing in majestic Kuala Lumpur, it's on to Indonesia and the Philippines, making stops at Semarang, Komodo, Ujung Pandang and Cebu. Found inside these 4 ports of call is a treasure trove of temples, beaches and rugged mountains. The perfect start to your journey. Plus, with an opportunity to come face to face with the world's largest lizard, the Komodo dragon, you're guaranteed to be left with a lasting impression. From here, it's on to Japan and South Korea. Phenomenal countries in their own right, you won't be short of things to do. Discover the bright lights of Tokyo, explore Nagasaki's Mount Inasa, navigate Incheon. Before docking in Hong Kong, your final chapter in this wonderful adventure is China, Tianjin, Dalian and Shanghai. From legendary skylines to the incredible Great Wall, there is an abundance of things to do and see, both modern and traditional. Journey to places you only thought existed in your dreams with Fred Olsen's Kuala Lumpur to Hong Kong cruise.